Sharing and networking is a key to this conference. As superintendents and administrators, we're on the go every day. And it gives us an opportunity to step out of the school zone setting and be able to collaborate with our colleagues and share what we've gone through for the whole year and vice versa. I think if we continue working together as a group of school districts, we're going to continue moving forward.
I think as leaders, we are always constantly learning. We have to be reflective in practice. And so we have the opportunities to hear the great things other districts are doing and being able to lean on that to better support our district and reaching our goals. Absolutely want to thank Region 1 for allowing us this opportunity. It's great because they are able to bring us resources. So I'm very thankful and grateful for the opportunity to have Region 1 lead us in the right direction.